Good morning, comrades, and this is definitely a good morning, and it is about to get better because, as you probably already know, I've strapped a GoPro on Robert's head, so we're gonna have a nice POV lap. The car has received some update setup from Anti-Racing earlier this year. It sits on Nankang Air once, but a quick disclaimer, TF is not a place to do some fast laps or whatever, but all I can guarantee you, the lap is definitely going to be better than my quarantine haircut. So let's hop in the car, and at least they mind getting a...
Your current what lap?
The lap is going to be better than my quarantine haircut. Yeah. I would take Annalise in the lap as well.
Are you driving?
Yeah.
She said this might not be safe, is what she just said.
Yeah, I think so too.
Okay, jump on out. Hey, look who ends up in all my videos.
Let's go follow him.
Yeah. He wants us to go.
Yeah. How was the warm-up lap?
It's good. Yeah, there's a lot of cars on track, so you just really just need to cruise, you know. There's so much going on that you just got to take it easy and.
Well, looks like TF is back, huh?
TF is back. I mean, wow.
I honestly even like this current setup more in a way, like with the GP track.
Yeah, it's kind of cool that everyone goes there, but I mean, I definitely wish this car park was open.
Oh yeah,
it would
yeah.
make things a lot nicer.
TF is definitely back.
You know, it looks like just a breakdown maybe, huh?
Yeah.
Wave at that car.
Yeah.
huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was fun. Did you hear it beeping that it wanted fuel? It's got just over a quarter tank and it still wants fuel. Let's see what the range is.
Well, Italians like to eat, huh?
Oh, it's, yeah, see, over a quarter tank and the kilometer says 0. No, it was a fun lap though.
Definitely.
That's TF. I mean, you got to take it easy. Obviously, we had a decent pace through all that, but you got to take it easy and have a little bit of fun at the same time. Keep an eye out for other people because there's, as you can see, many different skill levels, right?
Yep. I think I'm gonna go for a lap with the tractor now. It's gonna be fun to see without the traffic.
Good luck getting down here. You know what we're gonna do?
What? Ice cream?
No, we're gonna we're gonna walk from Apex to Brightside.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Figure out with this many cars out, it's actually gonna be neat to be able to see all the cars from trackside.
Yeah, the car spotting part is gonna be great.
Then my goal is to get back in time, then to do some evening laps when the traffic dies down.
Oh yeah, it's only 1 o'clock. I totally forgot.
All right, so I'll shut it down.
Yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and see you at the Nürburgring. Let us know which car next we should drive slow.